I have Samsung S21 FE screen replacement on my desk. So it has a dark display. So let's remove the back glass, and it's a plastic back glass, so no need to heat up too much. It's very easily removable. So after removing the back glass, unscrew all the screws from the top and the bottom. So disconnect the big speaker and this plastic piece, so it will come out at once. So after this, disconnect the battery. So, and here's a screen connector. So there are 3 screw you'll see. So after removing the screw, let's go to the top, disconnecting the front camera. This is a taptic engine, and let's take out the home button. Before this, you need to remove the back camera, and I think we need to detach the back camera, because it has some glue underneath that from the body. So after disconnecting this, so it's time to take out the SIM tray. So now we can take out, this is a fingerprint sensor. Look at this, that's a small tiny stuff. So let's remove the charging port and a little bit push up, and here we go. This is a one piece with a lot of connectors. So this is a back camera which is left on the body. This is also one of the other back camera, and this is a taptic engine. So here we go. This is the front camera, and this is the battery. So this I got this new screen, and this screen I need to remove the battery from the old screen. So let's put the taptic engine again. So properly align the motherboard to the place, because then you can easily connect all connector. So after this, let's put the screen, so charging port is in the place and everything on the place. So now put the battery back and final connector, and here's I'm connecting the battery to the motherboard. So this is the back cover, and after properly align and a little bit press, and now it's after screwing out, everything is okay. Now it's turning on. It's time to put the back on the place. So make sure it's properly aligned, so the touch is working on the phone, everything is working. If you like that video, thumbs up, and see you in the next video. Please like and subscribe.